Number 63, a Shakespeare play written by Rhoda herself. And it's a really cute piece that incorporates a lot of the things that we've been working on, especially that G major. We have a key signature in there. We have the 1 sharp that's telling us F sharp, and it does not tell us about our C sharp, so it's a C natural and a G natural over on the next 2 strings. So we're in 3/4, so that means we have 3 beats in a measure. And looking at the first measure, we actually have a pickup note. So they stole the last note from the last measure and put it up front, and we have an up bow to lead us in to have a good downbeat for that first full measure. We have some 1/8 notes, quarter notes, and half notes, and I don't see that we go on the E string. So just the, oh, there's G string. So G, D, A strings, and 4th finger on the A. So we're starting off with the 3rd beat. So we would count ourselves in with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Bum, bum, 2. So it's 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, da. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, da. 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1. So let's go through and read our notes. I'm going to read the notes and pluck it at the same time so that you can rewind and practice with it as many times as you need to. All right, so we're going to imagine that we're doing an up bow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. G, G, G. B, A, G, G, G. F, G, A, B, 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 B. D, C, B, B, B. A, B, low to C, D. B, C, D. 4, D, C, B, A, B, C. D, C, B, A, G, G, B, G, G. B, A, G, G, G. F, G, A, G. D, B, B, D, G. B, A, G, F, E. E, F, G, E, D. B, D, B, B, D, G. B, A, G, F, E, D. E, F, G, E, D. B, D, G, G. B, A, G, A, B, C, D. C, B, A, G, F, E, F, E, F, G, A, B, G, G. B, A, G, 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 F, G, A, G. Ah, good. I made it. For that run at the end, study it for a while, take your time, do it with the metronome, and see where our peaks and valleys are with that run of that scale. Let's take it from the top with the bow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, so I totally snuck in a C sharp in there in that second to last line. Bummer. So don't do my mistake, and I hope that you caught it. Take all of those runs nice and slowly, and you'll do great.